Hello and welcome to Coding Surprise YouTube channel. My name is Nitesh, and for today's topic we'll be discussing about Visual Studio Code extensions. So we'll be discussing top 10 most used popular Visual Studio Code extensions. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe this channel. So before I start, there are two different links on the description section which are related to this video. Please check out those videos for better understanding of this video. Let's start. So the first one is live server. So for now, I already created HTML, CSS and JavaScript file. If you want to create this setup, please follow the link provided on the description for HTML, CSS and JavaScript setup. So simply go to extension to install that live server. So just type live server. So you will see this kind of icon just installed since I already installed this on my Visual Studio Code. So I'll show you what it actually does. So if you change something in the HTML or CSS or JavaScript, you can automatically see on the changes on the live browser, as you can see over here. So you just simply right click on that and open with the live server. It will open your file on the web browser. So if I change like title, like first demo, then if I just save it, and I will be able to see on my browser my title. So since I already created JavaScript, CSS, just check out those links. So for the second one, I'll suggest is material icon theme. So simply go to extension and type material icon theme. So this, what it actually does is it will change icon of your folder. So you can either install this material icon theme or Visual Studio icon theme, whichever is suitable for you. Both does the same thing. So for now, I install material icon theme on my Visual Studio Code. So you can install any of that. So what it actually does, it will change the icon of your folder or file so that it will help you differentiate which one you want, which one is the file actually is. So as you can see over here, HTML has different ones, CSS has different one, and JS has different icon. And the third one we're gonna discuss is prettier. So same way, just go to extension and type the prettier. So this is what prettier looks like. So if you, what it actually does, what this prettier actually does is like it will align all the tag of the HTML correctly. It will align for the JS as well as CS. It will align everything correctly. You can format. If you don't want to use prettier, you can use other extension as well. But the only work it does is it helps you align all the tag properly. Like if you type division and give class name, so if you just type that, see over here, it just aligned everything in the correct format. It makes the code pretty. So that's what the prettier is for. So the fourth extension I'm going to discuss is Path Intellisense. So you can simply type on the extension Path Intellisense. So this is how it looks on the extension. So just install that since I already installed on mine. So what it does is like it complete the path inside your file. So if you type something over here, like if I type div, it's gonna show the div tag. If I simply type something like, for example, if I wanna put my CSS path over here, then it's gonna give me my what I really want on the CSS file. Like you see over here, everything is already shown. So you just simply have to type one or two letters, so it will show you what are the option you get. So same for the JS as well. So this extension is very helpful when you start coding. So if you want to use like path where exactly is your CSS folder, this also helps a lot. So the fifth one is better comments. So same way like you did before, just go to the extension and just type the better comments. So what this better comment does is like when you type something and if you want to comment that out, you can simply type something and command / and it will change the color of your comment. Right now you have green, it will change it to blue, it will change it to red. So just according to your like requirement, you can simply change all the comment like the color of the comment. So I usually use this extension a lot. So simply just go to the extension and type the better comment. So this way you will be able to install it since it's already installed on my Visual Studio Code. So you already saw what it actually does. And the sixth one is auto rename tag. So what it actually does is like, see over here, if I change the division with different tag name, then it will automatically it will automatically change the closing tag for you as well. You don't have to worry about where exactly is the coding tag. So it will simply figure it out that closing tag for you and change that closing tag as well. So just if you want to install that, just type auto rename tag on the extension. So you see this is how the auto extension tag looks like, since I already installed that on my Visual Studio Code, and you already saw what it actually does. So this is very helpful as well. So seventh extension is Git Lens. So what it actually does is it will give you like what are the changes that you made on the file, like when you made and who made that changes as well. So if you want to know more about Git, I have put some description link. I put some link related to Git as well on the description section. Please check out that as well. So to install this one, just type Git Lens. You will be able to see this kind of icon. I already installed it. So this is very helpful when you start working on Git. So if you want to know more about Git, please check out the video. So the 8th extension is bracket pair colorizer. So what it does is like wherever you see on the function and the JS file, it is very helpful on JS file. So wherever you see over here, it has different color, like the function has yellow color. So if you add another function inside that function, you will see that closing and opening bracket has a different color right now. So this way it is very helpful. It will be very helpful for you in future to identify which is the closing and which is the opening bracket for the specific bracket. So this is very helpful. I use this a lot. So to install this, same way you used to do, just type the bracket pair colorizer. So you'll be able to see this kind of icon over here, since I already installed this one. So this, you already saw what it actually does. So the 9th extension is Markdown All in one. So what it does is like if you create the .md file, then you might want to decorate it properly. Like for example, if you want to write some kind of note related to the code, you can simply write over here on the MD file. And if you want to decorate that file, like for now, if I want to change to bold one, I simply like put Control B over here, and it will change the font size, font weight of that readme file. So if you want to make it italic, I'll just say Command I. It will change it to italic as well, so right now it's just Command I, it will change it to italic. You can preview it over here. So this Markdown All-in-One is very useful if you wanna write some note related to your code. So just simply go to the extension and type Markdown All-in-One. See, this is how it looks, since I already installed on my Visual Studio Code. So this is very helpful if you wanna note something related to your code on the readme file, so on your .md file. Last but not least, JavaScript ES6 coding snippets is one of the best extensions when you start working on JavaScript. It is useful, like you can simply type on the extension and just see this is how it looks. So what it does is like it is useful for dealing with primitive array, object, as well as algorithm. So this is mainly for JavaScript developer. So this comes with pre-built support not just for Java but also for TypeScript. So thank you for watching. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe this channel so that I can bring more and more videos in upcoming days. So just like and subscribe for more, and please check out all the link provided on